Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been enjoying the content that's been coming out and that will come out in the future. I wanted to start a bit of series of the OpenFoam tutorials. The built-in OpenFoam tutorials, nothing new. Anyone can kind of go and run this, but it's a bit confusing on what's going on in it. I wanted to go through each one and do a rundown on what's going on each one. Help you to understand OpenFoam better. Hopefully be able to use it a bit better, see the capabilities quickly without having to run some of the tutorials yourself. So the first one we're going to do is the laplacianFoam flange tutorial under the basic folder. Basic folder of the tutorials. In the all run file that you need to run for every tutorial, there's the run ANSI to foam, which has an ANSI case or mesh. Changes into a foam mesh, scale 0.001. It runs an application, laplacianFoam, and will run foam to inside parts, and foam to v10. Once it's run, this is what it will look like. Got all your foam time data in there, and here's your inside data folder. Puts all your inside data in there. BTK then information is in a folder. Log files on there. So if we look at the case output, the beginning, got a temperature, so the temperature input is from here, and there's a constant temperature here, constant temperature here. So if we go to the 0 file under T, here the batch 2, 273 Kelvin, and batch 4 is 573 Kelvin. That runs, and you'll see the temperature going through the flange. Okay, data, inside data is here. Need to just extract the block here, so these blocks get to the cells, and we want just batch 4. That was 4. Four, 2, 1, 2. Here's the foam case. There's also batch 1, 4, 4. Be the same. So that's just a quick rundown of the foam case. Find this tutorial useful. Back for more. Also remember, like and subscribe the video to help the algorithm. Thanks. Cheers.